On the 17th of May 2026, I did this particular live stream on one of my monetized channel. You guys already know this particular channel belongs to me. You can see it there on the screen, Nneka stories. Yes, I did this live stream on the 17th of May. And I was able to get 964 views, 107 watch hours for a live stream that did not even reach 1 hour. The live stream was just for like 40 minutes, but there was something I did strategically. I'm going to be leaving the highlight of the live stream because I have to put it on private because that's not what my niche is about. I only just did it as an experiment, to actually see, okay, if this is that, because it has actually been a while I did live stream before I did it then. So I saw, YouTube has actually, updated and things I have actually not spoken about this on my channel. So when I saw it, I was like, this method, can it actually give people watch hour if they do it, if they try it? So I said, okay, let me just dive into it. That was how I was able to do this particular method and I got this particular result. I had to wait a little while. I was like, this thing, but it's just not in my niche. That's why I'm not, going to keep on doing that further. And also because this particular channel is already monetized, there's no point doing this on this channel. So even if I am to keep on doing this, it's going to be on new channel that I would want to monetize in the future, not on this particular channel. So if your channel is monetized, you don't need this. But if you are looking to get your channel to monetization, then you can actually try this. And by the end of the video, or towards the end of the video, I'm going to be letting you know the disadvantage so that you will not just know only the advantage. You need to know the disadvantage of this particular method. But trust me, this is a method that you would want to, go through, seeing this particular result. It's not like it's almighty 4,000 watch hour in one day, but having 107 in just a video that a live stream that is less than 1 hour is something. So imagine I had stayed longer, maybe for like, 5 hours, 6 hours, imagine the amount of watch time I would have gotten. And this is just for experiment. Just from the highlight, I'm gonna also be leaving the highlight of the live stream. I'm gonna be leaving it on the screen for you guys to see. Just from the highlight alone, some of you can already tell what I did differently in this particular live stream to get this particular watch hour. And I did not use any external app. This one is YouTube themselves. So, kulu temper. Rest assured that whatever you're doing is the right thing. Now let's dive into it. Let me show you what I did and let's see the whole full process. So all I need you to do is to log into the YouTube account which you actually plan to monetize. So this is actually the account that I used for the screenshot you guys saw earlier. This is not a different account. It's the same account. So if you look at this plus icon right here, this plus, I'm going to be leaving an arrow there for you guys to see, just as if you want to go on live stream. When you click on it to upload and all. So let me now click on it. So after clicking on it, I had to hide my camera because I'm not really showing my face. The aim is not to go on live stream. The aim is to just show you how you can actually do this yourself to get your 4,000 watch hour. It doesn't really require too much of optimization because regardless, YouTube is going to push out your content if you are actually using their inbuilt feature. So the next thing for you to do is now click on next. Very important. Please make sure you choose no, it is not made for kids, because this will allow YouTube to push your videos to the right people. So just click on no, click on go live. So let me just wait here. So it's actually going live, taking a bit of time, but it will definitely go live. So now we are live. Okay, going live. So now we are live. You can actually see that it's still not showing my face because I don't want to show my face right now. Yeah, and please, when you're doing this is not to say that you should not show your face. Show your face. I'm just hiding my face, but please show your face because it will make your audience be able to engage and relate with you. So now this is now where the trick actually is. If you look down here, I'm going to be leaving an arrow there for you. YouTube has kept in a feature whereby, let me click on it, whereby you see playables. There are different games that you can actually play. The best to which I actually like is this one. The one I actually did, the screenshot I showed you, is this Word of Wonders. This is it right here. Word of Wonder. Although I had to private the video because that's not what my niche is about. I just did it to just test and just see what I can get from it before I can make a video for you guys. So that video has actually been privated. Yeah. So you can see Word of Wonders. this is actually my best, because it will make your audience that are watching you comment and say, oh, try this word. You guys need to try it, in case if you're thinking of, maybe you don't know which one to start with, try it. But if you can play any other one right here that you feel like is actually interesting and engaging, you can go ahead. YouTube has actually put, so your live stream is no longer supposed to be boring. So this for those of you that whenever you're on live stream, you don't even know what to do to keep it engaging, and then people are not really joining. Trust me, when you keep doing this, majority of the time, then you can tell that, you can actually tell the difference, because you definitely get more engagement, more watch hour, more views from this particular game playing. Okay, now let me now tell you, because whenever I talk about advantages of getting their 4,000 watch hour, I like to talk about the disadvantage, so you are aware of both, and then you weigh the option and see if it's something you really want to go into. So now let me now talk to you about the disadvantage of using this particular pattern to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. So here is the disadvantage of using this particular method if you want to grow your 4,000 watch hour. If you're not in the gaming niche, like it's not in your niche, and you're doing this, you can actually attract the wrong kind of audience to your channel. You understand? Meaning, people that are actually interested in gaming, they can just be like, oh, maybe they might think that your channel is about gaming. Then you might have a lot of subscribers. Like somebody can see it and like your kind of like the way you are playing it, and then subscribe, hoping to keep on getting it. Meanwhile, you're actually just using it to build your 4,000 watch hour. And by the time you must have gotten your 4,000 watch hour, I don't think you want to continue, because that is not your niche. You only did that to be able to build your 4,000 watch hour and get your channel to monetization. So the disadvantage is that you might bring in the wrong kind of audience to your niche if you're not in the gaming platform or in the gaming niche. Only those in the gaming niche can actually really, enjoy this to the fullest, because whatever subscriber they get, they will still be interested in their kind of content. I don't know if you actually understand me, but that is not to say that you cannot still attract the right kind of audience, because I usually use my own channel as an example. When I monetize my channel using live stream, if you check, I don't know if those videos are still there, they should still be there. I use some meat slicing videos, which is actually different from what I'm doing right now. But that is not to say that my channel is not still known for what it's known for right now. Right now, my channel is known for YouTube growth. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, yeah, you can see that the switch, although at the earlier stage, you can see that, I was struggling a little bit. Like if you scroll down to the beginning of my channel, you guys can actually use my channel as an example. You can scroll down, you will see that at the initial stage I was struggling, because most of my audience were I actually got them from live stream that is not actually related to my niche. But at the end of the day, I was able to get the right kind of audience. So if you're actually going to be using this method, just know that initially, at the earlier stage, you might also struggle just the way I struggled to, getting your own kind of audience, because you already attracted a different kind of audience from your niche. You get your channel monetized first. But as long as you're consistent, you do not give up, and you keep posting that's your niche, you are consistent in what you do, you will eventually get in your right audience who will now know you for what's your niche for, and still watch your video regardless. Then you still be able to grow. You can just use my channel as an example, like I said. All right, so now that you now know the positive, the negative, it's now left to you, because right now I don't want to be telling people what to do. All I just want to do is whatever method that I want to bring to you guys, I'll let you know the pro and cons, the advantage and disadvantage. So it's not left for you, because I know adults are the one watching my video. So it's not left for you to now say, okay, I feel like the advantage is more than the disadvantage, so let me go for it. You understand? Or if you feel like the disadvantage is more than the advantage, then you rather not go for it. My own is to just let you know the two and weigh both options, right? If you find value or you have learned anything, if you have also been doing this process and you have been seeing results, let me know in the comment section. Do what to share your thoughts. Let me know. Please do what to like this particular video. Do what to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and do what to share. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.